Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about the best and free tool for compressing and optimizing image photos directly in the browser. That is, you don't need to install anything on your computer and you don't need to register anywhere. It's enough to go to a simple website, which I will show you now, and you'll be all set. So let's get started. First, open Google in your browser and type the following name in English. Yes, it's that simple. Press enter and go to this site. Here, it is in front of you. So what do they offer us here? They offer us to drag your photo here for compression or optimization, or open it with a mouse click, which is what we will do. So let's open our wonderful example. Here it is. Next, we can zoom in or out on our photo using the mouse wheel. Note that its original size is 891 kilobytes. By default, the program will compress it by 95% and it will weigh only 43 kilobytes. Notice that by moving this slider, we can observe changes on the left side and the right side. On the right, your photo will be displayed after compression, for example. We can also increase the quality of compression or the degree of compression by moving this cursor. The photo becomes even smaller. It has become 23 kilobytes, but its quality has slightly changed. Look here. Not everyone will be satisfied with this, so you need to decide what you need. A highly compressed photo, is that a plus or a slight loss of quality? It's up to you. Next, we can change the size of this photo by clicking this button. So right now, it has this size. Let's say we want to increase it by 300%. Recalculation is in progress. Next, we see that our photo is still compressed by 86% and now takes up 128 kilobytes, but its size has increased by 300%. See how convenient it is. Well, in principle, the artifacts here, I wouldn't say they're bad. That is, the quality can be maintained. This is a very convenient tool, and I am very glad that it is completely free. You can use it for any task you need. After compressing the photo or increasing its size, you can simply download it by clicking there. It starts downloading and the modified photo is in front of you. Here it is. It's very simple. I would be happy if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. All the best.